Alright, hello everyone. Starting 12.2 here, arithmetic sequences, day 1. So go ahead and start with what is an arithmetic sequence. These are terms that are separated by a common difference. So think of sequences we've been talking about so far in 12.1, where the domain is integers counting numbers, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, and then the range is some sequence of numbers like a pattern. Well, if those terms are separated by a common difference, common meaning the same thing, difference, think add or subtract. Basically, it's going up or down by the same number over and over. In short, these are adding or subtracting patterns. So all we're going to work on today is an introduction to what do arithmetic sequences look like and how can we recognize them and describe them. So first sequence to take a look at today, 3, 7, 11, 15. Now I'm sure you'll quickly recognize that pattern is going up by 4. So to use the idea of a common difference, I can take one term like 7, take away the previous term like 3, and find a difference of 4. And if I do this over and over again, I consistently find a difference of 4. That's a common difference, the same difference over and over. So I can now say two things. This is an arithmetic sequence, and the common difference, which for short we use the letter D to represent, D equals 4. Okay, so let's just check out a couple more of these real quick to wrap up for today. 1, negative 4, negative 9, negative 14. Again, check with subtraction. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. And do that for each of the other ones. That's negative 9 minus negative 4. That's also negative 5, and finally negative 14 minus negative 9. And there we see that common difference, negative 5. The pattern was going down by 5 over and over. You can also kind of draw it this way and show how it was going down by 5 repeatedly. So again, since the difference was always the same, I can conclude this is an arithmetic sequence. And the common difference, that's D for short, is negative 5. And last problem. This time, 3, 6, 10, 15. Well, I do 6 minus 3. That was a difference of 3, up by 3. And of course, at 10 minus 6, difference of 4, up by 4. I can even stop right there because once they're different from each other, it's not a common difference anymore. That means this is not an arithmetic sequence. There is no common difference. Alright, so that's it for 12.2 day 1. At this point, can you go ahead and work on your problems on page 806. Thank you very much.